Hey, what's up my millionaires? So this is very urgent video for wing holder because wing is very badly fails down. You can see here this time very badly fails down, my friend. What's my prediction? What's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time? Understand everyone, please kindly. This is very emergency video. But first of all, you can see here the crypto market as absolutely very badly fails down. -3% very badly fails down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, every coin is very bad. Which coin also one of the fastest cryptocurrency at this time and market. Dogecoin is also fails down. So my friends, let's come out to why the wing coin is barely fails down. What's my prediction today going up in upcoming time? Are they also more fails down? What's my prediction? So everything in this video is going to be very important for everyone. Kindly don't skip this video and please watch keep. You can see here, my friend, first of all I draw a chart for this. You can see here, first of all I draw a chart and then you understand to what I tell you what's my prediction. You can see here, first of all, okay my friends, this time if you can see here after a high jump they fails down. You can see here this circulation, you can see here this is the circulation. After a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. This is the circulation, my friend, and I hope after this last fails they also take a very high jump in upcoming days. So please, my prediction is good. You can see here this point also they fails down. You can see here the points they take a very the highest point is here 0.0180. I think the highest price of wing coin in the last 7 days, my friend, and I hope and they can easily cross it. They easily again. This time you can see here 0.00179 US dollar as the price. You can see here, my friend, the chain occur and -17.41% fails down, my friend. I hope in upcoming days they move on, but this time they very badly fails down. So this is the reason to all crypto market as very badly fails down and everyone starting selling. So therefore I think they fails down. Also every cryptocurrency very fails down, my friend, but I hope my target is very high from this. Absolutely, wing target as 0.1 US dollar at the end of the month. I hope they can hit it easily, but if they fails down like this then it is impossible. Exactly, this is impossible. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. If you can see here, my friend, this is the last 1 hour chart. You can see here and they moving up like a rocket. Exactly, they moving up, my friend. You can see here this is last 1 hour plus 2.43% they moving up. So they jump again. I told you already in the last 7 day charts today moving up in upcoming days. So exactly they starting moving up. Congratulations wing holder. Please don't sell it. My opinion is that to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you good profit. So thanks for watching. Please, this update is good for you, I hope. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative video. Please subscribe and press bell icon.